Hey boys, what are we waiting for?
Car wash.
What?
Get wet.
We're going in a car wash.
Get wet.
Here comes Mum. She's got the ticket.
Let's take it.
Oh, here we go. Oh, we've locked her out.
That's so annoying.
What are we doing, Shells?
Car wash.
Hey!
A
Waiting.
premium car wash.
Ooh, hello.
Vlogging day.
Oh, Ellis can do thumbs up. Well, Mum can do thumbs up. Oh, I'll do thumbs up too. There we go. Car wash day today. Who knows why? I think it's because it's the holidays. Forward, forward, forward. Forward. That's enough. Is it?
I'll tell you when to stop.
Will it?
Yeah.
Stop. Just don't unwind your windows, boys. It's bubbly. It's like an incredible treat for them. They think it's amazing. I know this is really sad, but I've never had the whole hairdryer thing bit done before. I only ever paid for the cheap one. If I had a car worth trashing, this bit would scare me. Wish. Ooh. Hello, hairdryer for cars.
Oh, my window's going
So any minute now, we'll be up there. There you go. So I'm just not very used to hairdryers in general. Do it again. This, however remarkable this seems, I promise you, this dryer section, the big metal housing on the back side of it, honestly says Christ 3 times on the actual blower bit, which look, the whole thing, yeah, Christ supplied by Wilcomatic. This car wash is claiming to be Christ. I mean, he washes us of our sins, right? But that's a bold claim to say that he's now moved on to cars. Why would he be bothered with cars?
I like car wash.
By the way, Jesus is more interested in washing the inside rather than the outside, but we also thank him for the car wash service, which apparently he started recently. We highly recommend the Christ car wash at Wickhurst Lane in Broadbridge Heath. Who wouldn't want their car washed by Christ?